how are you doing? My name is Jay and you're watching Dual Talkies.
Hi everyone, my name is Jay and welcome to Dual Talkies. Today we're going to talk about a noise issue problem which is faced by so many users of sjcam. If you get a camera like this is sjcam and J7 Star. This is super amazing camera. It is cheap compared to the GoPro and other expensive action cameras. Um, but the problem with this camera, especially this one, is that when you connect an external microphone, the original external microphone, to this camera and take it for a ride, the wind just comes to you at its best, and yeah, resultantly you just don't have your own voice. All you can hear is the wind. I think everybody using this camera is having that issue, so I kind of got it a little bit solved. I don't know, I think it's not 100% solution, but I could actually reduce at least I think 70% of the wind noise. So yeah, today I'm gonna show you how to do it, so stay tuned. Okay, let's say things you will need: a package with bubble wrap inside it. If you do online shopping, chances are that you already have one of these. A packaging tape, a double-sided tape, a seizure, and a helmet, of course. Take the helmet and measure the portion of the bubble wrap package you're gonna need. Please note that you need to take some extra centimeters of the package which will go inside the plastic layer of the helmet. Mark it with a marker or a pen. Next, cut along the line. Now that you have open ends of the package, we will tape it with the packaging tape. Once you are done, tape it with double-sided tape. Double-sided tape will help it stick that portion inside that plastic layer. Make sure you double tape it on both the sides. Now take the helmet and pull the plastic layer a bit. Depending on the helmet, it may be easy or you may have to loosen some screws. While pulling the plastic layer, put the double tape portion inside that layer. And it looked like this. As you can see, this is the helmet I use for motovlogs or any other sports recording, and I am using a flipgrid packaging. Now let me explain how it helps to reduce the noise. When there is no chin guard like this one, the air hits the mic almost directly. As you go faster, the sound of air becomes much higher compared to your voice, so the mic cannot pick up your voice. The chin guard does not let the air hit the mic much, and as a result, you would be able to reduce the wind noise. If the video was helpful to you, don't forget to give it a like. Also, you can consider subscribing. I actually make a lot of travel videos and motor vlogging, but in between I make this kind of video so that I can help you out with whatever discovery I make or something like that. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.